Welcome back, and now news from sports. A tricky first-half goal from Tolge Osbe was enough for Kingfisher East Bengal against Sporting Club de Goa in the I-League. East Bengal are now third on the table, 5 points adrift from leaders Dempo Sports Club. Both teams had several chances but failed to score. Sporting's custodian Gerard de Mello was simply fantastic in front of goal as he pulled off some blinding saves. The match ended Sporting Club de Goa 0, East Bengal 1.
Giants of Indian football East Bengal took on flamboyant Sporting Club de Goa in the final round 8 match of the I-League. In the 24th minute, Australian striker Tolge Osbe put the visitors in lead with an acute angle left footer. Sporting would consider themselves unlucky as none of their players could stop Tolge's shot that lacked the power and trickled into the goal ever so slowly. Thereafter, both teams had several chances. The teams went into the first half, Sporting 0, East Bengal 1.
Just a second. Here he comes out for it, doesn't get a clean pair of hands on it.
In the second half, both teams had their chances.
Didn't even test Gerard de Mello. Ricocheted back off the post. There you see it. Have another look at this. It was just a
but the star of the evening was Sporting's Gerard de Mello, who stood tall and made some crucial saves for the Flaming Orange.
There you go, Keita put his hands up for one. One of the two of the Sporting Club de Goa defence. Play the whistle, and that's exactly Orji Penn. Can Orji Penn finish this game off? Cleared away the danger, but not very far. Baljit! Good save from Gerard de Mello.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The Goa Women's cricket team has found a newfound responsibility in their ranks. Coach Poornima Rao takes this facet as a positive from the recently concluded Super League Championship. This was the first time that Goa qualified for the Super League, and Poornima considers this in itself as a victory. Poornima feels that there are at least 2 to 3 players in Goa's senior women's team who have a realistic chance of playing for India by 2013.
Goa Women's cricket coach Poornima Rao gave an account of the girls' performance at the recently concluded Super League one-day cricket tournament.
It was one of the best games we've ever had. We qualified for the Super Leagues. So never before in the history of Goa that girls have qualified. तो एक अच्छा milestone था. और Super Leagues में भी we reached scores of 190 plus. जो हमारा first venture था. Girls were not very overwhelmed by the opportunity. They kind of played very well, and against sides like Maharashtra and all, getting 190, I thought was very satisfactory as a coach.
The way forward looks very bright for the women's cricket in Goa.
Superb response to learn and try out those methods in the game. अभी क्या करते हैं? They take a lot of responsibility. I want to do it. That kind of attitude has come in. Previously it was okay, someone else will do it. Now it is I want to do it, I will do it. So that is a huge change in the thinking which has come in. And now we are getting ready for our T20s, which is starting from the 15th to the 21st.
Poornima is focused on her goal to see a Goan girl don the India Blues by 2013.
My dream is to make one cricketer from Goa to play for India, at least by 2013 World Cup. There are chances because we have Shika Pandey who's knocking on the doors. Then we have Sunanda and Salma who are very exciting cricketers. According to me, they are one of the best fielding twins. If I have one in covers and mid-wicket, I don't think anyone will take runs.
Our reporter from Kankon, Papesh Borkar.
Scrabble is a relatively well-known sport, but there is a lack of tournaments in the state. To spread awareness of Scrabble amongst the masses, the Scrabble Association of Goa organized the Goa State Scrabble Championship. There was a healthy turnout for the tournament. President of the association, Ireneo Gonzalez, says that all efforts are on to popularize the sport at grassroots level. He also says that the sport of Scrabble and chess are quite similar, and if popularized, Scrabble will find more favor than chess.
This game is similar to the game of chess. Only thing is this game involves word, the knowledge of words. See, that is why these students should take up this game very seriously, because this has got relevance to their studies. because it has got to do with the spelling and math skills, and so many other things are involved in this. And I'll tell you, if this is spread far and wide, this will pick up far better than chess that is being played now. We have about 60 participants here. We have organized it for seniors as well as juniors. So the participation is quite encouraging, and this will give us a boost to take this game at a grassroots level. And that grassroots level is nothing but school level, schools. Prior to this tournament, we had 3 workshops. We had organized a workshop at Vidya Vikas, where we had about 150 students taking part in the workshop. Then the next workshop we organized at Vasco St. Andrews. St. Andrews also we have got a very good response. We got about 150 students there. Then we had another workshop in Mapsa at St. Britos. St. Britos also we had about 160 students taking part. Then we had an open workshop at Margao Municipal Hall. That was for seniors. So the encouragement is very good. So we thought of having a tournament for the students as well as for the general category.
Samarth Adheya, who remained undefeated, won in the juniors category, while Rajnikant Singh won in the seniors. Rajnikant too was undefeated in the category. From Madgaon, our reporter Mayur Naik.
And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.